For parboiled rice, first add water, add tej patta, cinnamon stick, elaichi, cloves, shajira, add a spoon of oil, add little salt, let this boil, add little mint and coriander, add 2 cups of basmati rice, the rice is half cooked, so this water has been removed, and now I shall keep this aside. Here I have used the fried onion oil. To this I am going to add eggs. Keep this aside. Add sliced onion and green chilli. Add tej patta, little dalchini and few long. Add ginger garlic paste. Add a cup of curd. Add coriander powder, haldi, garam masala, salt, red chili powder, little coriander and mint, squeeze lemon, now add the eggs, keep for 2 minutes, add little fried onions. Now add this parboiled rice. Squeeze some lemon. Keep lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on a very low flame. Switch off the flame. So here the egg biryani is ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.